In this module, we'll be looking at the South African pharmacy profession. By the end of this module, you should be able to describe the role of the pharmacist in the South African healthcare landscape. And legislation such as the Pharmacy Act of 1974 and the Medicines and Related Substances Act of 1965. These acts ensure the maintenance of professional standards and the protection of public safety. South Africa's heavy burden of non-communicable diseases, NCDs, and infectious diseases like HIV and TB. Coupled with the growing threat of antimicrobial resistance, AMR demands innovative solutions from the pharmacy profession. Additionally, human resource shortages, particularly in rural areas, and the need to ensure equitable access to quality healthcare services across diverse socioeconomic strata pose significant challenges. So let's get into it. While the NHI aims to provide universal health coverage, its potential impact on our future remuneration and integration within the healthcare system still holds some unknowns. Embracing innovation, continuing to advocate for the expansion of our roles and responsibilities, and upholding the highest ethical standards will be crucial as we navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Pharmacists in South Africa are not just dispensers of medication, but are vital contributors to the health and well-being of our communities. As we move forward, let us remain steadfast in our commitment to serving the diverse needs of our patients and the healthcare system as a whole. Thank you. Digital health technologies such as telepharmacy and e-prescribing are transforming the way pharmacists deliver care, enhancing accessibility and convenience for patients in underserved areas. Moreover, the expansion of the scope of practice for pharmacists, including the ability to prescribe for minor ailments and take on more advanced clinical roles, is paving the way for greater autonomy and responsibility within the healthcare team. Pharmacists are key players in primary healthcare. They provide clinical services, compound medications, and lead public health initiatives such as immunization programs and the management of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. They also play a vital role in medication therapy management, ensuring patients receive the right medication at the right time, ultimately improving patient outcomes and reducing the cost of healthcare. The South African pharmacy profession is dynamic and impactful. Deeply rooted in the ethical and legal guidelines set out by the South African Pharmacy Council, the SAPC, in South Africa, the role of a pharmacist extends far beyond the traditional image of a mere dispenser of drugs. Despite the central role pharmacists play in the healthcare system, the profession faces unique challenges. On the horizon, the impending National Health Insurance, the NHI, presents both opportunities and uncertainties for pharmacists. However, amidst these challenges, there are exciting developments on the horizon. Pharmacists in South Africa are at the forefront of efforts to strengthen interprofessional collaboration, working hand in hand with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals to provide integrated and patient-centered care. In conclusion, the South African pharmacy profession is at a pivotal point in its journey.